What's up guys? Today I'm showing you how to destroy chaos objects in Unreal Engine 5. Place an object and switch from the selection mode to the fractured mode. Next we need a trigger. Make a new blueprint class and select the type master field. And choose type trigger. Place the trigger next to the destroy target. Now there are multiple ways how you can trigger the destruction. Like this, the destruction will happen immediately because it is called when the game starts. Keypress events can only be called on the player controller. So go into this class and then set up the custom event trigger there. Make sure you call the correct class how you named the master field. Now this was really hard, but setting up key input events in C++ is straightforward. There's good documentation. Also make sure to not forget the input mappings to enable in input. Diving into the code. So we have this field actor here. I'm getting this off the class, which I know the name because I looked in the editor. And using this, I can access the CE trigger function and I have to put the target value on it. I tried it first in the blueprint, so I knew exactly what I needed to do. I just had to find the C++ equivalents, but I spent so much time on this. If you know the name of things, you know how to access them and manipulate them. This was the way I was going on this, but it was hard. Make sure to check out my lightsaber video and thanks for watching.